Do like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. In this video, I'll show you how to use trim command in AutoCAD. So I'll show you different methods of trim command for different situations. So let's start. So shortcut key of trim command is TR. So TR is the shortcut key of trim command. So you can select the command on toolbar. So this is the trim command on toolbar, or you can select from modify panel. So go to modify panel and here this is the trim command. But here I am using the shortcut key, that is TR. Now press enter. Again press enter. Now in this drawing I need to trim all these extra lines. So click on extra lines. Click here, click here, click here, click on all extra lines which you want to trim. Click here and click here. Now see, it's done. So this is first method. So undo this and move to another method. Just undo this. Okay, now let's move to another method. So give trim command TR, press enter. Now in this case, instead of pressing enter again, just select the boundary up to which you want to trim. Suppose I want to trim, I am to trim these extra lines up to these two rectangles, this rectangle and this rectangle. Okay, so select these two rectangles, select this and select this. Now see, as soon as you select the rectangles, these rectangles will create boundary to trim command. Now press enter and click on the lines you want to trim. Okay, when you click on the line, it will be trimmed up to the boundary which we have selected. So click here, click here, click here, click here. Click on all extra lines you want to trim. Click here, click here, click here and click here. So you can see trim is done. Okay, so same procedure. Now I'll show you another method. So next method, all methods are used for the different situations. Okay, so give trim command TR, press enter. Press enter. Now remember one thing, if you take command from toolbar or modify panel, then no need to press double enter. But when you type the command on command bar, then press double enter. First enter is for giving command. Okay, so you will be acquainted with this automatically, just need practice. Okay, so enter and again enter. Now we have some options here. So first I'll select fence. So for fence, F, give F. For fence, we need to specify F. Enter. Okay, now it's asking to do fence. So let's make a fence. So specify first point here and just click here, 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 here and press enter. Now see, all the extra lines are removed. So in this case, you don't have to select all individual lines separately. You can use this method to trim multiple lines all at once. Okay. So next method, trim command, enter. Now select crossing. So I'll show you crossing. So give trim command, TR, press enter. Now press again enter. Now here I'll select crossing. For crossing specify C, enter. Now you can trim all extra lines with the crossing window. Okay. So make a selection. Make a selection. See, crossing window will appear and select. Now see, select. Now see, all extra lines are trimmed as per your selection. Trim, trim and trim. Okay. So generally no need to specify crossing option to trim in crossing window. Crossing window is automatically appear as per your selection. See, just undo this. Okay, so give trim command, TR, enter. Now see, this is the crossing window. Now I am not selecting any option, but see the crossing window you can trim by selecting automatically without selecting any crossing window. Okay, so you can select in any direction from left to right or right to left. So next move to next method. So next give trim command, TR, press enter, again enter. Now I'll select edge. So for edge, E, enter. So these are two options, extend or no extend. So for extend, E, enter. Now extend mode is selected. Now in this figure, these two lines are not intersecting each other. But still if I click on this line, then it will be trimmed up to the point where this line is to be intersect. Okay, so click on the line. So click here. So see, it is trimmed on this point where this line will intersect. You can trim this line also with same process. So TR, enter, again enter. Now E, enter. Now again E for extend, enter. Now click here. See, this is done. Okay, so next process, give trim command, TR, enter, again enter. Now I'll select erase option, ER, enter. Now select the line which you want to erase. Select and enter. Now see, it's erased completely. Now for undo, this is also erased. This is also erased. You can erase any line. Okay, now for undo, just U, enter. Just give U and enter. Okay, to get back the line, give undo command, just U and enter. Okay, now give trim command, again TR, enter and enter. Now this is undo, U, enter. Okay, now let's move to next or last option. This is trim command. Now here TR, enter, again enter. So here this is the last option, project. So P, enter. Now this is two option, none or view. I'll select none and enter. Specify N. And press enter. Now see, here we have same options like before. Fence, crossing, project, edge. So you can trim in this with the same process. So let's see. This is done. Trim is done. Okay. So like crossing. This is the crossing. Select, select, select. So trim is done. Okay. So now I'll select edge option. All these options can be done. So you can do trim command with project, but generally project is used for 3D modeling. So we just using another methods. So that's all about trim command. So if you like this video, then do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.